What's up, you guys? It's Pris. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, thank you guys so much for subscribing. I love all of you guys so much. So it is now January 2019, a new year, a new beginning, and a fresh start. So a lot of you guys are going to be starting off with a New Year's resolution, whether it be financial goals, fitness goals, or overall wellness goals. We all have to start somewhere. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a couple advice and a few tips on how to crush your New Year goals, and I'm so excited for this. So let's get started. So tip number one is plan it out. If you don't have a clear plan or a clear vision on what you want to accomplish in 2019, then your resolution is absolutely pointless. Make sure you have a clear plan on what and how you want to achieve your goals. For example, if your goal for 2019 is to save money, write down the exact amount of money you want to save each paycheck, set it aside, and make a plan. So that is tip number one, making your vision a little bit more clear for yourself and not just saying you're going to do something without a plan. So tip number one. Tip number two is to get organized. Being organized, guys, it's so important. Like if you're very unorganized and you have like a lot going on, it just gives your mind so much more to worry about than you have to. So being organized just gives you like a clear vision on what you need to do and how you need to get it done, instead of just being so overwhelmed with everything around you. So get organized, guys. Trust me, you won't regret it. Tip number three is journaling. This is my journal right here. This is actually what I have my notes in right now that I'm referring to. So this is where the magic happens. Like, shout out to my nephew for this. Thank you, Rome. He gave me this for my birthday, and it just says always believe in the beauty of your dreams, and it's so cute. This is my journal where I write everything in. Basically, I always jot things down in here if I have like ideas or any list of things that I don't want to forget, and it just helps me remember, and it keeps my ideas down on paper and not just up here. So it just makes everything a lot simpler. So trust me, get a journal and start journaling. It'll help you guys a lot, I promise. So tip number four is to get a calendar.
I took the long way, yeah, the long way. Where the paper route was the only way. I went the wrong way, yeah, the wrong way. Where the paper route was the only way. Man, it was the only way. Yeah, it was the only way. Where the yellow tape.
Are so important for planning. If you guys want to make sure that you are crushing your new year, then you have to make sure that you have a calendar so you can be organized every single month and have your month planned out in advance. That way you can see like important dates. It's very important, guys, to be responsible and to have your month or your year planned out ahead of time. That way you don't miss out on any events or any plans that you have. Yeah, just always remember that calendars are important so you can stay on track. Tip number five is support systems. You guys need to find a way to hold yourself accountable. Different techniques like apps, trainers, social media, or even a friend to help hold you accountable. So by doing this, you're able to stay connected with your vision and be able to review your progress. So for me, it's my fitness Instagram. It's Get Fit with Pris, where I can post updates, where I can post my ups and downs, and also post my accomplishments. And it's just a way for me to hold myself accountable because other people are following me as well, and we're all on this journey together. So it just helps me kind of stay connected. And also another app that's really helpful for me is my Fitness Pal. So on there, I'm also able to hold myself accountable with my fitness goals because I'm able to track my macros and exercise, and it just helps me reach my daily goals. So in that way, those apps are really helpful to me. So if you have to get like a trainer, or if you have to get somebody to help you with your financial goals, like go ahead and do that. Just something that's gonna help you push yourself and not just slack. Okay, you guys, tip number six is very, very crucial, and it is baby steps. I cannot stress this enough, you guys. Do not go into something full force. Like never ever go into something full force, especially if it's something that you've never ever tried before. So try breaking your goals down into smaller, more achievable goals. A lot of times people jump into something full force and then they feel like failures in the end because they give up or they start doubting themselves. So always make sure that you're taking baby steps into something, and just remember that if you have a slip up, that everything's gonna be okay. It's normal, it's natural. So that way you're giving yourself more time to like bounce back and not start doubting yourself. So remember, always take baby steps. So for example, let's say your New Year's resolution is to lose weight. So you go and you join a gym. Try to not go to the gym every single day, like 7 days a week. Give yourself some time. So try to start off slow and take baby steps, and maybe just go 2 to 3 times a week. And then once your body starts to get used to it, then maybe you can do 4 times a week or 5 times a week. But do not push yourself too hard to where you feel like you're gonna give up. So yeah, that's basically the last step that I have for you guys. I hope you guys liked the advice, and yeah, I love you guys so much. And just stay positive throughout this journey. Remind yourself that goals take time and patience. I love you guys so much.
I really had a jug and finesse for what I want. I hopped up in this game and I ain't treated like no punk. I really had that funk in my trunk, it ain't what's up. I really fell in love with my shawty and that's okay.